Ever pondered the complexities that come with configuring SAP IDOCs? SAP IDOCs, or intermediate documents, are a fundamental part of any SAP system, allowing businesses to exchange data seamlessly between different systems. However, setting them up can be a daunting task. But fear not, this guide is here to break it down into a manageable step-by-step process. The journey begins with defining the port and partner profiles. Use transaction code WE21 to define communication ports, essentially your logical destinations, for both inbound and outbound IDOC processing. Partner profiles need to be created for each external system that will be trading IDOCs with SAP. Output. Move on to defining IDOC types with transaction code WE30. This is where the structure and format of IDOCs get determined. It's a crucial step, as it's here that segments and fields within each IDOC type are specified. Next, assign message types to these IDOC types using transaction code WE82. Message types represent different business processes, like sales orders or invoices, that trigger the creation or processing of IDOCs. The fourth step dives into the details with transaction code WE31. Here, segments and fields for IDOCs are defined. Segments are like the building blocks of IDOCs, representing individual pieces of information. Fields, on the other hand, contain specific data within these segments. Creating a distribution model comes next with transaction code BD64. This model determines which message types will be exchanged between SAP and external systems. It's essential to specify the systems involved and the message types to be exchanged. Setting up partner profiles follows with transaction WE20. Each external partner involved in IDOC communication needs a profile. This is where inbound and outbound parameters like message type, IDOC type, port, and processing mode are configured. Configure process codes using transaction code W41. Process codes define how inbound IDOCs are processed by SAP. Assign function modules or programs to process inbound IDOCs based on the process code. Creating logical systems is the next step. Use transaction code SAIL to define logical systems that represent SAP systems or external partners involved in IDOC communication. Assign logical system names to physical systems. Optionally, activate change pointers with transaction code BD61. Change pointers can trigger the creation of IDOCs when specific data changes occur in SAP. Finally, it's time to test IDOC communication with transaction code WE19. Use the IDOC test tool to simulate inbound and outbound IDOC processing. Verify that IDOCs are generated, processed, and received correctly between SAP and external systems. The last step is to monitor IDOC processing using transaction codes WE02 and WE05. Check for errors, monitor IDOC status, and troubleshoot any issues that arise during IDOC communication. In summary, configuring SAP IDOCs involves defining ports and partner profiles, IDOC types, assigning message types, defining segments and fields, creating a distribution model, setting up partner profiles, configuring process codes, creating logical systems, optionally activating change pointers, testing IDOC communication, and monitoring IDOC processing. Although it may seem intricate, with this step-by-step guide, mastering the configuration of SAP IDOCs is achievable.